Where do you see in the morning? Where, which side? Sun. Okay. Sun is rising that side. Joy. Very nice. Manogna. Which place? Okay. To your right. Front.
Straight, ma'am. Front.
To your straight.
Yes, ma'am.
My right side.
Ma'am, my right side.
Okay. For Meha, it is right side. Okay. Okay. Then Joy, it is for your left. I mean your back side. Okay, fine. Zakaria.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is east? East side for you.
Right side.
Right side. Okay. And Sai Shrita. Where is east? Ah, yes. Where is your east side at your home? Straight. Fine. Veronica.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your right side? I mean, east side here for you?
Right side, ma'am.
Right side. Okay. Hansa.
Ma'am, right side.
Okay. If it is right side, if whatever sides you said, on that side you are going to keep east. Whatever you wrote no east, that side should be east. You keep paper on the table showing where is east according to your place. Wherever you're sitting, according to that place, ask your parents which side is sun is rising towards, in your place. Okay, keep that. The same direction should show east. You can keep it that place on the table or on the floor, whatever it is. Okay. If you need to turn, no problem. You can turn also. Fine. Now, I just want you, from your north position, you should bring any item. Whatever things are there, from your north, not from east. Look at the paper. First, you have kept this paper on the floor or on the table, right? According to your east side, that should show east and west. Understood? So where is sun setting side is, that is west. Sun rising position is east. You kept it clear, right? Okay, now what you should do, from your north position, from your place, north position, any small item is there, you should bring and show me. Be careful with your earphone. Be careful with your earphone. You can go bring any small item. Come and show me, so that you should know where is your north. Okay, very nice, Joy. Very nice. Because for you it is not. Very nice. Vertika, very nice. Zakaria, did you bring something from your north side? From your north side,
Yes, ma'am.
go to your north side. Wherever you are sitting, from that place, you identified, right? East, west, north, south. Did you identify? Or take the help of your parent, dear. So today we are learning this direction. Anyhow, at your place, which is
My
not
back
south.
side.
Pardon? Yes, dear.
My back side
Okay.
is not.
Okay. Just go back. Get up, go back, and bring any small item from your north side. This is your activity.
Can I show?
Yes, run. Be careful.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, who is this? Yes.
Manogna, ma'am.
Manogna. Yes, ma'am. What did you bring?
Chart papers, ma'am.
Very good. Sai Shrita. Wow, Sunny book what? Okay, very good, Zakaria. Okay, Meha, nice. Okay. Yes, Purvika, what did you book?
Ma'am, ball.
Very good, Purvika. Wall. Very nice, very nice, very nice.
A
Khansa?
piece of book.
One is enough, dear. One is enough. Just I want to make you to know what are the directions, in your place. What are the directions? One item is enough. Okay, Sai Shrita, very nice. Okay, Vetrika, Veronica, nice. Then who else, dear? Who else? Khansa, what did you want, ma? Okay, very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, Manogna also bought, and then who else left out? Fine. Now, keep there itself. Okay, now what are you going to do is go to your south side, your opposite side. You went north, right? You went to north. Now, exactly opposite side of that north. Exactly opposite of that particular place. You went towards north, right? Now go back to south, opposite side. And bring any small item. This could be different. Okay, Joy. Joy and friends, good. Yes,
Can I show? I think.
your opposite side. Okay, Shoma, Purvika. Good, good, good. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, then who bought? Zachariah, very nice, very nice. Is it from your south direction? South direction?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay. Now, Veronica. Hey, be careful, Meha. Veronica. Okay, fine. Meha, is it from north? Is it from north direction? Okay, fine. Sai Shrita, show me your north side item. Oh. She is not settled, I think. Okay, now. Vetrika, wow, very nice. What is that? Eraser. Fine, fine. Manogna?
Ma'am,
what
can I
do you
show?
want? Yes, ma. Yes.
Whiteboard, ma'am.
Ah, nice, nice, nice. Okay. Khansa, did I ask you? What did you bought? Sketch pens. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Zachariah? Okay. Sai Sharita, you went to north direction and you're showing there itself. That is also good. Okay, fine. That's also nice, dear. Zachariah, did you bought anything?
Yes, ma'am. Can you
What did you
repeat
go? What did you bring from north side? Okay. Fine. Now, both the directions over. North and south over. Clear? Now, I will ask you to bring any item from west side. West. So, you need to know where is west, east and all. Where is that paper? See the paper. Where is that west side? Oh, Joy is very nice. Nice. You bought it very fastly. Very nice. Very nice, Zachariah. Very nice. Oh, Hansa, good. West side, you don't have anything, dear. Purvika. Back side, you don't have anything. Okay, nice, Veronica and Manogna. Very nice. Beautiful. Huh? Yeah, I saw, dear. I saw. Manogna is going back to bring something. No need. Very nice. All of you did very fast this third direction activity. Wow, very good. Kansa, very good. Very good. Manogna, good. Good, ma, good. Zachariah, you bought something? I forgot, dear. Did you bring something from west side?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Oh, nice. Fine. Now, you are going to your east side. See the paper first. Oh,
Ma'am,
very
can I
nice.
show?
Yes, ma. Who is that? Manogna, yeah.
My
Very good.
system is there, ma'am.
Yes, Manogna.
System, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Yes. Vetrika. Okay, marker. And then anybody else? Whom did I missed? Sai Sharita is going to that particular direction itself. Very good. Good activity. Good job, yes, ka. Yes, ma. Joy and Prince. Good. Fine. So completed. Now, do you want to go to northeast? From your place. See the paper first. Where is your northeast? Go to that place.
Ma'am.
Very good, Khansa. Very good. Very good, Sakriya. Very good. Nice. Prince. Good. Okay, na. Khansa. Good.
Ma'am, Caesar.
Meha. Nice. Sai Sharita. Okay. Veronica. Very nice. Sai Sharita, you need to bring. Okay, pencil. Vetrika. Very nice. Fine. Good claps. Northeast is over. Now go for southwest. Opposite direction. Southwest. See the paper. See on the paper first.
Can I show you my...
Yes, Purvika. Very nice. That's okay.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yeah, Manugna. Yes.
Ma'am, I did art and craft, ma'am.
Very nice. Good craft work. Okay, Meha, nice. Keep it up. Zakriya, very nice. Good. Joy and Prince, very nice. Khansa, very good. Okay, Vetrika, nice. Manogna is also bought. Okay, fine. Now, you completed north, east, southwest, correct? Now, we are going for northwest. See the paper first. Which is your northwest? Sometimes you may not get, because might be if you are sitting on the corner of your room, you may not get. Be careful. You need to tell me the truth. Yes, Zakriya, very nice. Joy Prince, nice now.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, dear Manogna.
Spray bottle, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And Meha, nice. Sai Sharita. Vetrika, okay. Veronica, nice. Okay, so you got from southwest. Very good. Okay, now the left out is.
Can I show?
Huh?
Can I show?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Okay, very nice. Okay, now which is the direction we missed out? The last, only one. Which is that we missed? Southeast. Very nice. So you're concentrating. You're all concentrating. Very nice. Go to southeast and bring something.
Painting.
Southeast, that side. Okay, Zakriya, very nice. Joy, Prince, very nice. Yes.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, Khansa, good. And then Manogna, please, na.
Ma'am, my school bag.
Very nice. And Meha, very nice. Shai Sarita. Okay, you take time. And then Veronica, very nice, good dear. Okay. Veronica, yes, nice now. Shai Sarita.
Auntie, nothing.
I didn't hear you, dear, clearly.
Auntie, nothing is there.
Okay, very good. Okay, so we completed now. Okay, now sit down, calm yourself. Yes, Purvi? Okay, very good. Okay, now your
Okay. Color.
Okay, who is that? Zakriya. Okay, nice. Nice, dear, nice, very nice. Good. Okay, very good. Did you mark there, north, south, east, west, north? That mark, write that letters. Write that.
I write with pencil.
Okay, Zakriya, you need to complete that. Okay, complete that. Without that, you can't do that activity. Okay, now all did right. You understood, right?
Yes,
Understood, right? Learn something.
Yes,
Enjoy. Now onwards, you need to know that which is your directions. Okay. At home, you know now. All the 8 directions you don't know. Main 4 directions, yes, some more 4 directions. You learned all the cardinal directions now. On your spot, on your location, at your home. Clear? Claps for yourself. You learned and you did. You identified that. Very nice. So, what do you want to do now? Let me show you the screen. Okay. Am I co-host, dear Veronica? Can I share? Okay, now you can just identify this. What is this picture?
Compass.
Wow, very good. Compass. Okay, so it is waterproof also. Okay, understood. It is waterproof also. Okay, and then what is this used for?
To identify directions.
Finding the directions.
Finding the directions. Even in the remote. Yes, it will help you to find the directions even in remote places where you don't get any help also. Even if you don't get any help, but at least you can identify the directions from the from your compass. Clear? Nowadays we are using frequently. It is with in our day-to-day activities device. What is that? Will you please name that? We are using frequently to go to somebody else's house, when somebody has asked you to come to your place, sometimes you may not be knowing that address. Huh? I didn't hear you
We
properly.
use Google Maps.
Google Maps, very nice. So it is easy, it came to your hands. The Google Maps, it has come to your hands now, so you can use through your mobiles, correct? Google Maps are there, which makes you help and which makes you to go to, find your destination within very small. It's okay now. So which are the fields you can see this utilization? Can you name? Can you please name? Very nice. Yes, very good. And
In aeroplane.
okay. Then okay. So you can see in ships and
Waterboat.
civil engineering places where they are going to construct the things, right? They need to know the directions, okay? And even in the sea areas where they need to go to particular place to reach their destiny. So this is the military, the device which the military people use, and these are the civil engineers, they are using it, okay? They are using all these items in a different field. Okay, nice. Okay, now we have learned this north, south, east, west. Let me ask you a question. If you stand, is it the top portion, the sky portion is not? Is it?
No, ma'am.
Is it like that? It is shown here?
No, ma'am.
No, not at all. Okay, because it's sky itself and thus ground. It is the ground itself. They are, but we are showing on the paper or on the slide like this. Okay, but if I told you already, if you keep the paper on the table or on the floor, how can you see the directions? Okay, and I give you one clue also in the worksheet. Where is that sun is rising? Where the sun is rising, if you stand towards sun rising position, how to identify? One question arises, correct? So while sun is rising, that particular position, if you face towards sun rising position, that itself is called?
East.
We already did that work. Okay. Opposite of that side? West. Okay. And then your left arm shows?
South.
Think and tell me.
North.
Which is correct one? See here. See, this is east side, right? You are facing east. Your face is towards east. So your back side is west, correct? So you raised your arms. Okay, you stretched your arms like that. Your face is this side. What is this side then? Is it right or left? No. Which hand is that? Left or right?
Right.
Baba,
Right.
Veronica.
Left.
See, turn towards your east, children. Turn towards your east. Where is sun is rising? No, that side you turn. Just turn. Yes, very good, Meha. Very good. Okay. If your face is showing east, your back side is
West.
West. Okay, now your left side is
North.
north. Always when you face east, always your left arm shows north. Okay, and then opposite side of left.
South.
Very nice. Identified clearly now.
Yes, ma'am.
Identified clearly now. That's it. You know now. Okay. Like that only, you know. Between two directions, north and east, northeast. Between east and south, what is that called? Between east and south, what is that called? Between. Very nice. Very nice.
Southeast.
Joy, will you please tell me between east and south, which is the direction? Between east, south. Sorry, sir. Between west and south, which is that direction?
Southwest.
Very nice.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Zakria. Yes. Between north and west, which is the direction you will get? You will find between north and west, which is the in between direction.
Left side.
Northwest. Yes, northwest. Okay, nice. Understood right now? Understood? Clear? No confusions? No confusions. Okay, fine. So this is 4 cardinal directions, 4 intermediate directions, everything you learned already. So now, if anybody asks you, you are able to give the answers, right? You can give the answers, you can
Yes,
find the
ma'am.
directions, okay? Even apart from your place, if you go somewhere else, if you get to know that which is the sunrising place and which is sunsetting place, you will easily find out north and south also. We know left side is north, where if you face your east side. Understood? Okay. So today you completely learned all the directions, and you know, even if I make you close your eyes and left you some place also, will you able to find out?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
do you want for that? You should know where is sun is rising, which side is sun is rising, or which side, if you even know which side is sun is setting also, you'll come to know. Clear? Okay, very nice. By this time 8:55. Then who want to share anything? Who would like to share anything? If you have any questions, you can ask me now. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, shall I tell you one example? I will give you one math work now. Will you do that? You have pen and paper, right?
Yes,
Pen,
ma'am.
pencil, whatever it is. Okay, you are not going to tell me anything now. Okay, it is a secret. Okay, what are you going to do? You are going to write a number, any number, 1 to 10 in between. Okay, write one number.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, done. So the same number, don't tell me, okay? Don't tell to anybody else. Okay. Now the same number, you are going to write again. The same number you are going to write again below that number. Example, you take number 1, write again same number 1. Okay. Then add the 2 numbers. If you do, then only you will enjoy this work. Joy and Prince, you can take it very simple, small letters, small number. You can write it down on the paper.
Add 2, ma'am.
Don't tell now. Okay, you take another number now. Okay. Take any number in between. If you want to take 20, 30, 40 also you can take, because you are a 5th standard girl, right? You can do it. Okay. Easy one. Take one single number. It is best. First learning, right? You take one
Sorry,
single
ma'am, I
number.
couldn't understand.
Yes, Kansa.
Ma'am, sorry, I couldn't understand.
Okay, let me tell you slowly. Take any number, okay? Take any one single number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whatever. Single number. One number you need to take. Okay? Write it down on the paper. Write it down on the paper. The same number, whatever already wrote on the paper, right? The same number, you are going to write it again below that line, below that number. Below that number. Okay? Then you are going to add that first number and the same number. Okay? You are going to add. Make it plus. Write the symbol plus and then going to write. You are going to write the addition. Do now addition. Do that addition now. Understood, Sai Sharita?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, I'll give you one example. If you have taken 1, okay, write 1 again, write 1 again. 2 times you need to write it, that's it, okay? And then count. 1 plus 1, 2. Count that, okay, like that. But you're not going to take this number because magic is there in between.
Okay, ma'am.
So you need to take a different number so that I will give you that answer. So surprising. Okay, understood? Now you added right. You added right. I'm going to give you 6. Number 6. Okay, number 6. Add that number 6. To that addition, whatever that number, you are going to add my given 6 number. Write 6. Add. Done. Okay. You got some total number, right? You have got some number right now. So what are you going to do? You are going to divide that number. If small children are there, if they don't know, you can take help of your parents. You just divide that number by 2. Or make whatever the number is there, no, the total number, that you make it half. Example, if it is 4, make it half. 2. Example, if it is 6, make it half. 3.
Excuse me, auntie.
Yes, ma?
I have an doubt.
Yes.
Where should we add 6?
The number you have already added, right? Example, I told 1 plus 1, it is 2. In that 2, your number is there, no? Your total number. To that, my given 6 is you are going to add. You will be adding that number. Understood? Now my given number is 6. That's it. You added it. Now we are going to divide that number. Sai Shrita, take help of your mother, da. If your mother is engaged with cooking work and all, please take your somebody's other help. Father is there? No. Okay. You take help of your mother for 2 minutes. Yes. Then, did you divide it by that number? But did you divide it? Divided it? So you got some number, right? You got some number, right? Okay, do one thing. With that particular number, the first number you kept no in your mind, first number,
Yes.
you minus it. Whatever the sum number is there, right? With that number, you are going to take the first number and minus that number.
Ma'am,
Yes.
after adding 6, with what number we should divide it, ma'am?
Whatever the total number you got, right, dear, that make it half. Take half number, half of that total number. That means you are going to divide by 2. Understood? One simple method. Or if you got 6 number, make it 3. That means you are make it half. You are whatever the sum number you have, no, only half part you are taking it. For Sai Sharita, for you, I will be repeating once again. Sai Sharita, Sai Sharita.
Yes, auntie.
Okay, one number you have taken. The same number you are going to take again. You have counted it. Okay, you have counted it. To that counted number, I'm giving you 6 number 6. So you same thing again. You count that number also. Understood? And the left out whatever the answer is there, no, that number you need to divide that number. How are you going to divide? By half. Okay, half in the sense divided by 2. Okay, then you are going to get some more number. Okay, that number already you have taken first number, no, some you have kept number, right? You need to minus it. take that number, minus it. Okay. Now, shall I tell you what is the left out number? Whatever you people are writing, no? How many 4 or 5, 10, whatever students are writing in a different number, the left out number is 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Who got 3? Who got 3? Very good. You did correctly. Then your method is correct. Okay, Veronica, you are also right. Joy, you are also right. Manogda, did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Shai Shrita? Did you? You didn't try it? Okay, try it. Khansa? Did you get that number, dear? Okay. Purvika, you didn't try? Okay. Fine. What is the clue here? Can you identify what could be the clue? How did I do that?
It was a magic.
It was a magic. Yes, it is. Yes, Jai. 80 you have taken. Wow, nice. 360 plus 6. Okay. Wow, you have taken very big number, do. Super, yeah, super. Keep it up. What about you, Meha?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you do? Show me. Which is the? I can't see that. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. Yeah, okay, fine. Very nice, very nice. Veronica, can you show me? Okay, very nice, very nice. Yes, very nice. Yes, Shai Shrita.
The answer 3.
Very nice. I told you, right? I already told you, right? Okay, now let this be surprise. Okay, do this this activity same way. Okay, you can find out this. Are you going to find out? Are you going to find out? Or let me tell you some secret. I will keep it the secret till for next week. Next week? Huh? Will you find out? Okay, take 2 days also. Okay, and then you can call me if you want that secret. Huh? To play with your parents, to play with your friends. That I will tell you. Is it okay? Huh? Okay, with this, shall we wind up this class? Okay, before that, Veronica?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go on, tell me, how did we start the class? What and all you learned today? Beginning of the class, what we did? Exercise, right? Remember, ma. Okay. Meha,
Ma'am,
what did we did here?
we have learned about directions, how to...
No. From the beginning, you need to tell. What did we learn?
Some exercises.
Yes. Which exercise? Which type of exercise?
Taking breath.
Yes. Yes. Then
Eye exercise.
eyeball rotation exercise. Okay. Then okay. I will give chance to Meha now. You continue, dear. What did we do after that?
We learn about directions, how...
Directions. What we did? We draw, right? We did some activity on the paper. Correct? Joy,
Yes.
after that what we did? Joy, after that what we did? After the drawing activity, what we did?
Ma'am, after it... Ma'am, now you told them, ma'am, adding.
Okay. Manogna, will you please tell me after the
Maths magic.
No. After you draw something activity, right? You did some activity, na? This was paper activity. Then you did some other activity also.
Ma'am, bringing things
Yes. From where?
from north, east, directions from the direction.
According to your directions, okay? According to the 8 directions, on the spot wherever you are sitting from on your location, from there you went towards different directions and bought something, right? Very
Yes,
good, very good. Khansa, after that what we did, dear? Mansa, are you there? Okay. Anyone from the group will tell me? Sai Shatita. After that, what we did, dear? Last activity, what we did?
Math problem, auntie.
Magic math. Okay, magic math. Okay, fine. Do you want to know? Do you want to know the reason? Now itself, or let us wait for 2 or 3 days. You only do this activity because if I tell it, there won't be any surprise. Okay, you are going to take whatever the same idea method you need to do. Follow it. Okay, don't rub that paper, that sum. Okay, addition. Take that magic number. You should tell to your parents or somebody else. Let them keep that number twice, and then let them add. You are going to give some number that is special. There is special. Okay, you are going to give some number and make them to add that number. And what are you going to tell? Divide that number, and then what are the last sum is there? No, the product what you got from that particular number. You are going to minus the kept number, first number. Okay, and then left out number. So there it's a magic. You are going to give some number, right? That number and left out number, there's a link. Okay, I've given in clue. You try this with a different activities, do in a different way, and you will get to know what is that magic. You are going to find out by yourself. दिमाग की बत्ती को जलाना है बस. ठीक है? All the best, all the best. Shall we wind up? Okay, Rambabu sir. Sir is there now?
Ma'am, yourself, you have to wind up the session.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, with this I will be telling you now. Keep the hand like this. Keep your hand like this. Okay. Good night, dear. Good night, all. Okay. Bush, you should tell. Okay. Bush. 1, 2, 3. Bush. Yes, fast.
Okay, shall we take leave? Neha, shall we take leave?
Yes.
Okay guys, see you in the next session. Bye everyone.
Bye. Bye. And good night.
Good night.